based on your store, you can set up a store SEO, and this will be for Google to notice you. You can set it up with your own settings and own descriptions. So we will see you've got an SEO title and a meta description and a meta keywords. Based on this, you can use any AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini to create meta keywords for you if you don't know any meta descriptions or keywords. If you want to do your social um, links, you can do that as well. Underneath your settings, there's a social profile. There you can link your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube. You can link all of these to it. And basically, when you go to stores, you will see all the different stores here. You can have your own little Facebook page as well. So if you go into one, for instance, you will see there you can follow, you can share it. There's a little Facebook handle there. Once you click it, it takes you to the Facebook handle, of course, and you can open up. So clients will be able to access your Facebook page directly from your store. And this is one of the sellers, and basically there's no ratings yet. But the products that you sell will also be underneath your store.